Hi there, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel,
Silver Fanatic. Yes.
Okay, guys. Today's video is just to welcome, guys. It's a review, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Before we do a review, guys, we'd like to send a shout out.
Yes.
To Millennial Stacker, guys.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes, guys. We want to say, guys, please go watch his videos, guys. They're very educational, guys. And he recently started a premiere, guys. He has something going on there, guys. He explains a lot of things on premiere, guys. Yes, and most of his videos, guys, are educational, guys. If you are a new stacker, I would really advise, even if you are an old stacker, there are things that you will pick up there, guys. So watch his video, guys. Educational, entertaining, very fun, guys. You will enjoy them as much as we did, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so go watch Millennial Stacker, guys. The channel, guys. A very nice guy.
That's true.
Today's video, guys, is just to welcome, guys, these 3 coins, guys, of which we bought. The krugerrand, guys. As you know, we are working on a tube, so we bought these krugerrands, guys. Okay, let me just show them again. I know I showed them on the unboxing, but you never get enough of these ones. Okay, this
and
is
luckily we do have extra capsule to put them.
Yes, yes, we got the capsule because we're working on a tube. We're trying to grow the tube, guys. Okay, so we bought the capsule, so to put them on the capsule, because our tube, it consists of it's that tube that consists of the capsules. So yeah, we bought those capsules because that's what we were missing. Because on that supplier that we bought from this time around, they bring the coins not on the capsule. It's not like the other supplier that makes things easier for us, that brings them in a capsule. Okay, guys.
They're in a good condition, as we said in the unboxing.
Yes, guys, they are in a very good condition, guys. We're proud of them. Yes, guys. Okay, so that's why we are so we're rushing to get them onto a capsule before anything.
It's too late.
Before they get exposed, guys, to the air. So before they develop the milk spots. But either way, I think you can't run away from the milk spots. I think in a long run, eventually it does happen. It does happen, guys. All right. Okay, guys.
We didn't buy a lot of kruger this time because we were buying the other color coins.
Yes, guys. These guys, the color coin, and this one, the most important one, guys. Yes, this is the one, guys.
New baby.
Yes, finally. Again, I'm gonna say finally it has joined the stack. Stack now. We can happily say it's balanced. Okay, guys, we're planning on working on a tube on this one as well.
Also,
yes, so the 2020 1/10 ounce. So we're planning to work on a tube of these ones as well. So soon we'll be introducing a tube on this one as well.
Because we've been saying that it's better to buy the coin or a bullion that is original from your country.
Yes, that is where you based, guys, because it's much easier for you when it comes to time. When it comes to the time where you need to sell, it becomes much easier. Just to emphasize on that, guys, that you need to really focus on a coin that is of your country. For us, it's this one. This one for us here is will be very easy to sell when it comes to selling, and to get as well. It's very easy as well. So just to emphasize on that. So when you are buying, you consider that. Because
everyone has been saying that, we also emphasizing
this. Yes, we also emphasizing it. And I think we mentioned it on our past videos as well, that you need to consider that. Because for an example, this krugerrand, in South Africa, everybody knows it. The people that are dealing with the stacking, they knows about this coin.
That's true.
So when it's time to sell. Even
'Cause
if when
even
you're
the-
going around trying to buy and ask them which one would they prefer, they will tell
say,
you, no,
on
we'll
silver,
on silver we will prefer krugerrand.
yes,
But on gold, we will take anything else.
yes,
So we did ask around. That's what they mentioned. So that is why you found us that we're
buying
stacking more onto the Kruger side. But nevertheless, I doubt that they will say no to this coin.
Yeah.
I really doubt they will say
Coin
no. But
shops, no.
yes, but they never mentioned it. They said the Kruger. So, but I doubt they will say no, because this is a well-known coin worldwide. Everybody knows this coin and everybody loves it. So maybe it was just that that coin shop that we went to, that it's their preference. It's the Kruger, not these ones. But maybe you'll find another one that will be crazy about this one.
Or maybe it's because it's now, but when it's time for silver to be in the demand, they won't be picky.
Yeah, no one will be picky. When silver is in demand,
Yes.
they'll be taking anything that says silver. Anything, when you say silver, you say bring it. So they will not be picky that at that time. They'll be taking any type of silver. When it says, because at the end of the day,
it's silver.
It's silver. All of these things are silver. It's just the design, the artwork on them, engraved on them. That's the only thing that is different. But nevertheless, they're all silver.
Yes, yes.
They're all silver. When you melt them down, you get one and the same thing.
Yes.
They won't get like something different
on the other coin.
Yes, yes. You will not get something different. But with this one, the American Eagle, I heard that
is it soft?
No, I don't know. There is more silver on it.
Yes, when you melt
when you're melting it, I think maybe that's the only difference that you could find.
Because I think it's because it's also large compared to the other ones.
Yeah. It's bigger than the other one. Maybe that's that's. I think that really explains why is it that so. But at the end of it, even if it's more silver, but it's silver at the end of the day, it's just that you get more of it on the American Eagle. On this one, you just get more of silver, but you will get the silver like any other silver.
Yeah.
Like if I say any other silver from this one, but you will not be selling this for melting. I doubt. This has its category of its own. So yeah, we're just making an example.
I think more rounds are good for like melting and pot silver.
To make those pot silvers and all that.
And those silver powders.
Yeah, those silver powders, those crystals. Yeah, those are the ones that can be melted. But these ones with the artwork,
no,
I doubt you will want to melt. You melt this one.
That's true.
Yeah, I doubt you really want to melt this one.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Today's video was just about this, introducing them to the stack. As you can see now, we can talk. Say,
talk business.
We have a balanced stack. I think we have mostly series coins, bullion, gold,
rounds,
bars. So our stack is really getting to that point where we can just say it's balanced. Yes, guys. And if you're looking for a round, I think we have a round as well. So our stack it's a really balance. We can talk, when we're talking about a round, we can make reference to a round. We can show it like, okay, this
the
is
only
a round.
thing left now is constitutional coins.
Yeah, that's the only thing now, guys. Okay, yeah. I think today's video was just about that, guys.
We're gonna clean up soon.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a tidy up soon.
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. Please go watch the channel we mentioned, Millennial Stacker, guys.
That's
Very
true.
nice channel in the educational, guys.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
guys, and also we'd like to thank our subscribers, guys, and please like and subscribe and press that notification button, guys.
Please
okay.
do.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.